Hello, welcome to Lost Food and Barbecue. Well, today I wanted to try cooking a tri-tip Santa Maria style, and I did remember Ori over at Go Outside and Cook that he made a Central Valley style tri-tip a while back, and I did copy that exactly, but this time I want to do it over open flame. And I don't have a Santa Maria attachment to any grill, but I do have a grill and I do have some firebricks, so I'm going to try this out. So tag along and I'll show you how I did that. But first, this I did yesterday. And today, this is what I'm gonna do. Okay, so the plan is to use my concrete offset here. I'm not really sure. The fire is gonna be down there, and I will be able to elevate the grate to a certain degree at least. I can probably put these fire bricks on end to make it even higher, but I don't think that's gonna be necessary because I did look at a couple of people that had done this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start out making like a fire bed or coal bed in the bottom of burning coals, and then what I learned is that if you can hold your hand over the grate and count to 10, it's too cold. If you can count to 5, that's good. And then before I cook, I'm gonna try the heat out on this skillet. It's actually a very old one, and I found it at the flea market today. It cost me 10 bucks, 100 Swedish money, and it's actually a steal because it's in really good shape. So I'm just going to season that. I'll do that over the flames while I wait for my guests to arrive. So this is done. This is what we get. That's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's hot on 5, but it's okay before then. Anyway, so this is what the tri-tip looks like since marinating in the fridge. It's been marinating in the fridge since yesterday, and it's been out in room temperature for about an hour. Just gonna put that on there, and then the plan is to flip it over 4 times, no more than 4 times. Anyway, let's go. Well, there we go. Yeah, Santa Maria style Central Valley seasoned tri-tip on the modified home-built concrete offset grill. Well, you saw it. Let's try this. Looks really, really good. You can taste all the spices on this. It's really good. It's not a very hot dish, if you can call that, but yeah, really nice flavor. It's very juicy. Don't know if that's the cooking technique or the tri-tip as such, because it was really well marbled. But anyway, I'm gonna enjoy this and the beans and everything else. Thank you for watching. Bye.